You go ahead.
I'm gonna go?
Yeah.
Alright.
Say something about someone.
I don't know who to say anything about because I don't even know who our opponents are.
Me neither.
I forgot their names.
I knew one of them once, but I don't...
He knew one of them one time?
Yeah.
I knew.
What about their mother?
Their mother?
I might be familiar with their mother. I don't know.
I think they're both Italian, so she probably cooks pretty well.
She's probably got pretty hairy arms.
Yes, very hairy arms.
Well, we gotta take the good with the bad, don't we?
Yeah. I hope one of their moms is dead. Alright, we're gonna do another.
And
4 pitches, game on.